Hello, my name is Vincent Conforti, and this is my exam mini video 1. So let's get into a few definitions before we jump into our scenario. So we're going to be talking about Lyon's hypothesis and X inheritance. So right here we have a theoretical couple, Bill and Amy, and they have 2 kids, a boy and a girl. So what's happening here? So the boy is going to get, of course, the Y chromosome from the father, because the mother has no Y chromosome to give, and then an X chromosome from the mother. So it's going to look like that. That's going to be his genotype. So the daughter is now going to get an X chromosome from the mother and an X chromosome from the father. So what's happening to this chromosome that hasn't been activated yet? It's being suppressed by the other X chromosome that's activated. So what's happening on a molecular level? Well, right here, this is the chromatin, and this is to represent the chromosome that's being activated. And where's this inactivated chromosome? Well, it's going to be at the peripheral of the nucleus, and it's going to look like a shade like that. So this is just good to use as a reference point so you understand what's happening with the activation of the one chromosome and the inactivation of the other chromosome. So let's apply it to a real situation. Okay, so here we are mixing a black male cat with a yellow female cat. So these are the genotypes of each. We have X big B Y and X little b. So I have these 2 charts here so you can use those reference points. So the yellow female cat's going to be a homozygous for yellow color, and then the black is going to be dominant here. Okay, so these 2 separate colors for the cats can actually produce one amazing color called a tortoiseshell cat, and it's a female cat that has this specific genotype. So it's got an X big B and an X little b. Okay, so before we mix these 2 and see the probability of their offspring, let's throw one more combination in there. We have one of the cats has long hair and one has short hair. So the black male cat has got is heterozygous for capital H little h, and the female cat is homozygous for short hair little h. So let's go ahead first and we'll check the probability of the colors in the Punnett square. So we have the male cat at the top with X big B Y, and the female cat at the side, X little b. So what's happening here? When we mix them, we're going to get a combination of 1/2 female tortoiseshell, which is going to be shown right here between these 2 genotypes, and then we're going to get 1/2 male yellow, which is going to be shown in these 2 genotypes. Okay, so now let's cross the hair types. We got heterozygous long hair at the top, which is supposed to represent the male, and then homozygous recessive at the side to represent the mother cat. So this is the combinations we get. We get 1/2 long hair, which is going to be exemplified in these 2 genotypes, and 1/2 short hair shown in this. So all we're going to do to check the probability is we're going to multiply these values. So our possible combinations, or our progeny, is going to be 1/4 female tortoiseshell long hair, 1/4 female tortoiseshell short hair, 1/4 male yellow long hair, 1/4 male yellow short hair. And the reason why we won't have 2 identical daughters, visually identical at least, is because one is going to have a long hair texture while the other has short hair. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and here are my references.